Hello viewers, in this video we will see how to write citations and references for our research articles or for our thesis. So basically we are knowing that we are using citations and references for introduction and methodology part. Sometimes we are also using it for result and discussion. But for abstract and conclusion we are not using any citations. So here we will see various types of citations and their format which are generally considered. So for example, many of times we are using citations from journal papers, some conference proceedings or symposium papers, some books or reports, bulletins, thesis, and sometimes also with some internet articles. So in very brief I will discuss each one of these to understand what is the format we will use. So let us see from this example. So generally suppose if we are writing introduction part of a paper, so there what we are generally giving information like what is the background of the work, okay, and after that we are writing about the literature review, that so many researchers who has worked in the same domain and what is their research outcomes, and at last we are writing about the aim objective of our research work, and then we are writing about methodology part which has several components like study area, data requirements, some specific methodology we will discuss there via means of some flow charts, okay. Now after that we will write about result and discussions where we can use various plots, graphs, and we will write brief description about it, and thus at last we will write about abstract and conclusion. So this is all about the total workflow to write a research article. Now in this we have to focus mainly here on citations and references. So for example, here you can see it is being mentioned in this example that IWRM focuses on an integrated approach to managing the biophysical and socio-economic management system. So here you can see after this statement in curly bracket it is given about Yates et al, then full stop comma 2005. So basically Yates denotes here the author title who has written a particular research article from which I have written this particular statement, okay, or from which I have taken the concept. So basically here we are considering three categories. Suppose a research article, for example here you can see this research article first, Dozier J 1992, you can see here only one author is there. So if only one author is there, then how we will cite? Just we will write the author title and year. Suppose two authors are there, then we will write their title like Kumar and Singh 2018. Now suppose more than two authors are there, then we will write here et al. Okay, so this is the generic thing about citation. For single, second or multiple authors we are writing like this in text followed by year. This is about citation, that is very simple. Some of the time in some specific journals they are also asking like instead of this title they are writing in numerical order 1, 2, 3 and 4 like that in square bracket, and all those citations we have to write in chronological order in references. Another method is this where we can write the author title and year, and here these all citations we have to mention in references in alphabetical order. So this is all about citations. These two specific methods I discussed. Now let us see how to write the references. So suppose anything we are taking from a journal paper, then we have to write the author title, then short form, then name, year, then title of the work and the journal name. then 30 represent here volume number, 4 represent issue number, after that page number. So this is a general trend, and these 4 I have given as an example for journal papers. Similarly for conference symposium papers, author, title, and then short form, name, year, then title of the work, then we will write here proceeding of particular conference name, okay, and then we will write the date and place followed by page numbers. This is about conference. So some example I have given here. Now after that some books. So book chapters or some specific information whenever we are taking from book, we can write references for that, like author name, short form, then year, title of the book, and publication detail, okay, and page number at last. Now sometimes we are also collecting information from various reports, some bulletins, thesis. So there we have to mention that particular source name, year, title of that particular document, then that particular source, place, and page number. These are few examples I have given. Now similarly for books also the same trend will be continued, which is more likely same, and this is for some internet articles. So here that particular website details we have to give, followed by year, okay, the report name, and then URL of that particular website, and when it is being assessed. So we can see here very simply that mainly 6 types of references we are using. So I hope this video will help you all in learning the formats which we will consider for writing citation references in any research work, basically in thesis or in articles. Thank you so much for kind listening.